Hey, it's Maps Coach Jess Fox, and I want to share with you the Market Center Value Cycle. It's a really cool concept, and it really helps connect the dots between leadership that's recruiting and the team that's helping welcome and onboard. So I just want to show you this cycle, and the cycle covers from when you're in a recruiting appointment all the way to them joining, using our KW tools, and then getting the desired referral, raving fans. So this process we're going to go through today and talk about the value cycle. So if we think of a team leader and you're thinking during an appointment, for you to have a successful appointment where someone wants to join, you needed to do a needs analysis. Whereas if you did more of a presentation, you probably didn't have the desired result. So that's an example of an effective situation and an ineffective. So if a team leader desires for this whole process to happen, they need to make sure that they're not only doing a great needs analysis, they really are connecting the dots with that recruit on the proper KW prescription. So if we don't have that happen, we're not even going to have step one happen, which is joining. Now, once they join, in order for them to be using the actual tools or to follow the prescription that you gave, they need to be introduced to that. Introduced properly. So that's a proper orientation. That's a proper command introduction and onboarding. That's the basics. And then and whatever else. Maybe they're going to go all in on command and they want to do a 36 touch. They want, maybe you did a database assessment with them and they want to realize their database's potential. Maybe during the needs analysis, you discovered that they needed a transaction coordinator or administrative assistant, and you go more of the KPA and career visioning route. Either way, it's not just giving them a little introduction on how to use the office. It's how to use KW's models, tools, technology, because that's recruiting them to KW, not just recruiting them to a real estate office. So for you, the question I'd have is for it to be unsuccessful, what has to happen? Well, maybe they have a poor welcome. Low communication, meaning you told them once, but they didn't follow up, didn't follow through, didn't take action. Those are all real things. So having a conversation with your leadership team about all of this helps them understand how this all correlates. Because when you think about it, if you see yourself as the team leader, or whoever's doing the recruiting, if they see themselves in the blue, you're the one doing the presenting, right? The appointment, but you're also receiving the referral, and you're 100% dependent on the delivery. Now, you are part of it, but you're not most of it. And so have this conversation with your team openly and discuss, what does that look like to all of you? Because the goal is to get people not only to meet with you, but to join and use KW. Be KW. Don't just move them to a different brokerage, change their business. And then they, of course, are those raving fans. So great little value cycle model that you can use with your team to get everyone on the same page, to level up your onboarding and welcome, to get your agents more engaged in that first 30, 60, 90, so that they are the walking billboards that you desire. Hope you found this helpful. If you need anything, reach out. Coach Jess here, signing off.